you guys, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. Today's video we are going to be harvesting some more items and I'm going to be showing you what's going on in the main garden today. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I have a good bit of things actually, you guys, to harvest today, and getting the beds ready for the next group of vegetables in the garden. So I need to move this tree. I really need to get my trees planted. I was thinking about growing them in grow bags, but that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna listen to my instincts and not do it. So okay, so we're now in the main garden, and you guys, it's time for me to harvest some items. So I'm gonna take you around the garden, and the first thing we're gonna harvest right now is my broccoli. And you guys see all my broccolis? Yes, it's time for me to harvest those. So I'm going to be harvesting actually all of them off of here. So they're like little florets, but they are actually so good in stir fries. So I'm going to enjoy eating these and sauteing these up. It's going to be so good sauteed up. So look at that. I got my little florets. Okay, I'm gonna sit that here. Okay, and so let me show you guys what's going on in this bed. So we have our kohlrabies right here. You can see them kind of bubbling up at the bottom here. Those are the kohlrabies. You can eat the leaves as well. My elephant garlic. You guys see here. We just harvest those broccolis, little florets off of here. I did plant some more mustards in here, so they're coming up. And for those who wanted to know how to save your mums and how I showed you guys that I cut them back. And so here goes one of them right here. That is doing great. My potted up rose is doing so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? It's really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. Okay, you guys, so this is the cabbages, and I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this guy right here as well. And over here is the scarlet kale, my decorative kale, and the curly leaf kale. That's these guys. I'm going to go ahead and harvest some of the dinosaur kale or lacinato kale, or I'm going to be harvesting some of the dinosaur kale. So up here I put some spinach, and I see they're growing good. Down here I planted some more kohlrabies, broccoli. I'm thinking these two might be cauliflower. Not quite sure. I'll have to make sure. once it gets, I think it is going to be cauliflower. Right there is my leeks. I put in some daikon and some French breakfast in here. And over here is the curly leaf kale. Okay. Here. Okay. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this cabbage right here. Get down in here. Got dirt in there. So, this is a good size one. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this one. I'm gonna leave the other two in the ground. So this is an apple cabbage I'm going ahead and harvest, and I'm gonna put this one to the side. And we're gonna go ahead and harvest some of the dinosaur kale. Say hello. Hello. So let's get to that. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some of the dinosaur kale leaves. I'm also here. This one is no good.
Wow, look at that long tree. Like an apple tree or something.
You put in an apple tree?
I put it on the apple tree.
Oh.
So cute. I love to eat the apple tree grow. That's why it made your apple tree grow. I started to take an apple off.
Yeah.
That is so funny.
Okay. That's our basket so far. So now, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and harvest some of my scarlet kale. And remind you, I harvest from the bottom. I do not harvest from the top. So like I said before, I do the cut and come again. I don't cut the middle. I only cut on the outer leaves. Okay?
Oh. Oh, green. Or green way yellow.
See?
Oh, purple, purple. Oh, I took on purple. Let's see. That's purple.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed our little harvest today. We had a good time harvesting, me and the baby girl in the garden. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget, you guys, to give the video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I upload a video. And remember, you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now.